This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Eason. Why wait to build? This rarely available Denton floor plan featuring over 2,300 square feet is available now. This is one of the largest homes in the fabulous 55-plus community of Cascades. This home has 3 bedrooms with a large den, large extended screened in lanai with electric awning overlooking the beautiful lake. The owners have cared for their home, and it is extremely clean with loads of upgrades including plantation shutters, high-end lighting, tankless hot water system, ring doorbell, frameless shower door and added shower door to spare bathroom, driveway and lania paver sealed, all tile and amp, grout professionally sealed, huge living room and tons of closet space. Cascades offers wonderful amenities including all your lawn care needs, full high-speed internet and amp, cable including DVR, clubhouse with resort-style pool, fitness center, pickleball, tennis, bocce courts and loads of social activities and events. Riverhall Country Club is just down the street where you can pay as you play golf or enjoy a night out with friends at the Calusa Bar and Grill for dinner and drinks with no membership needed. Call for your private showing today. Professional photos coming next week. For more information, review the details below or contact Susan Eason at 239-213-8555.